Admission started Wings Pre-Primary and Higher Primary School in बीजापुर। जी हाँ, शहर बीजापुर के देवतगिरी गली में रही विंग्स प्री प्राइमरी एंड हायर प्राइमरी स्कूल में एडमिशन की शुरुआत हो चुकी है। आपके बच्चों के उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए आप विंग्स प्री प्राइमरी एंड हायर प्राइमरी स्कूल में आपके बच्चों का दाखिला करके आपके बच्चों का फ्यूचर ब्राइट बना सकते हैं, क्योंकि इस स्कूल में आपके बच्चों को एक्टिविटीज के साथ साथ अच्छी एजुकेशन भी दी जाएगी। तो देर किस बात की है, आपके बच्चों के सुनहरे भविष्य के लिए विजिट कीजिएगा विंग्स प्री प्राइमरी एंड हायर प्राइमरी स्कूल का। इनका पता है बसेट कमत होटल नियर राघवेंद्र स्वामी टेम्पल, देवतगिरी गली, बीजापुर।
So don't waste your time and don't think too much to get enrolled your kid to our school for the future ready school. Do visit the school premises, which is located at Devatgiri Gully, Raghavendra Swami Temple, behind Kamath Hotel, Vijaypur.
Good morning to everybody. Awesome Kids World is giving good education to society. Actually ನಾನು ಮಗಳಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. when she was in nursery, that time I came to know that Awesome Kids World is good. ಸೊ Awesome Kids World ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ನಾನು ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಎಜುಕೇಷ್ನಲ್ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅವರು, ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ನನಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಇಂಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. Then I admitted my child to Awesome Kids World School. So nursery 1 ವರ್ಷ ಮುಗೀತು. Now she is in LKG. She is telling up to 6th table. Actually tables ಬರೋದು UKGಗೆ, ಬಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು LKGಗೆ 6ರವರೆಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಟೇಬಲ್ಸನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕೇವಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮಾನಸಿಕವಾಗಿ ಬೌದ್ಧಿಕವಾಗಿ ಪಾಲಕರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ Awesome Kids World School ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎವ್ರಿ ಮಂತ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಟೈಮ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಕರಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ಕಲ್ಪಿಸಿಕೊಡೋ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ Awesome Kids World School ಅಂದರೆ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಲಾರ್ದು.
Hello everybody, myself Shirin Maghrabi, Principal Awesome Wings Primary School, Vijaypur. Our school starts from nursery to 8th standard. As far as nursery, LKG and UKG is concerned, we are dealing with the activity based learning. Here students used to learn through games and different teaching techniques. As far as the teacher is concerned, the teachers, those who are engaging nursery and LKG, UKG classes, they are specialized, they have the specialized training in dealing with the nursery, LKG and UKG students, specifically NTC, those who have done NTC, such teachers have been hired for nursery, LKG and UKG. Then as far as 1 to 5th is concerned, we are having what specific teachers, those who have compulsorily done B.Ed or D.Ed, and they are having what special training sessions in our school to assess them, and every week we used to assess them weekly. After completion of one unit, we are going to conduct slip test, and after that we will be having what formative assessment 1, formative assessment 2, and essay 1, summative assessment. And for the second sem we'll be having formative assessment 3 and formative assessment 4, and after that essay 2, that is summative assessment 2. As far as the teaching is concerned, all the teachers are well trained and well qualified, and they are having the experience of minimum 5 years. Apart from that, the weaker section we are going to concern with the those who are weak in specific subject. We are going to train them separately by remedial classes, giving them basic knowledge of the concerned subject. Like if the student is weak in English subject, we are going to teach him basic English apart from the syllabus in remedial classes. Likewise, all the subject we are going to treat the weaker section students. They will be provided with a specific training, and all the teachers are well qualified and compulsorily they have done D.Ed or B.Ed. So as far as our educational system is concerned, we believe in what practical things. So apart from teaching, we used to implement it practically. We assess each and every child individually by providing them specific seminars, then group discussion, Then for lower section like LKG, nursery, UKG, there will be what recognition will be there, then memorization will be there, then identification of the objects and identification of the shapes, that will be done with the real objects. Apart from that, for the higher section, we are going to provide the related worksheet depending upon the syllabus, depending upon the topic which is going on in that week. At the end of the week, on Saturday, we are going to provide the worksheet. Apart from that, we used to highlight what getting the knowledge is not only restricted to the classroom. It should be personality should be developed overall. Means the child should be exposed to indoor and outdoor activities. Apart from that, we used to conduct annual sports meet. Then we used to conduct food festival. In that, they used to get the knowledge of credit and debit, how to deal with the business, then how to deal with the customer, and how in that they used to get the credit and debit knowledge. Then apart from that, we used to conduct every year medical camp to assess the physical and mental health of the students. Every year we used to conduct medical camp for the students as well as for the parents. Every year Dr. Ustad, he is helping us and promoting us in this social cause. And apart from that, we are conducting exhibitions. So study based exhibitions, like if we are dealing with the subject science, in that water cycle will come, photosynthesis will come, then digestion will come. So likewise, the students are asked to prepare the models and they are able to explain their models in front of the parents, those who have visited the exhibition. Apart from that, we used to conduct annual gathering. In that, we allow parents as well as students to take part and enjoy the event and showcase their talent.